In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate systeme.io with Calendly. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. The integration between systeme.io and Calendly is a great way to streamline your scheduling processes with your online business. By combining these platforms, you can make it easier for your clients to book calls or appointments with you directly through your sales funnels. Now, the first step is to open Calendly. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. You'll be greeted by your dashboard where you can see all your events. If you haven't set up any events yet, you might want to create one. However, for this demonstration, let's assume you already have a specific event ready to go. So take a moment to select that particular event. As you click on it, you should see an option to copy the link. This link is crucial because it will direct your clients to your Calendly booking page. To copy the link, simply find the option that says something like Share or Copy Link and click on it. This step is super important because this link is what we'll be using in systeme.io to embed your Calendly calendar. Alright, now that you have your Calendly link copied, it's time to move on to the systeme.io platform. Open a new tab in your browser and log into your systeme.io account. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the option that says Sites. Give that a click. You'll then see a few different options under Sites, but what we're looking for today is the Sales Funnels option. Click that, and it's going to take you to a list of your funnels. If you don't have any yet, no worries. You can create one right from here. For now, let's say you do have a sales funnel that you want to update with your Calendly link. Go ahead and find the funnel you want to edit and click on it. You should see an option to Edit Page. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you into the page editor, which is where all the magic happens. Now, this is where we integrate Calendly into your systeme.io funnel. Look over to the left side panel of your screen. This is where you can find various blocks and elements that you can add to your page. Scroll down and look for a block that says Calendar. You might also find it under different names depending on your version. Just keep an eye out for something that suggests calendars or scheduling. Once you find the calendar block, you can either drag it onto your page or simply click on it to add it. Dragging is often useful if you want to place it exactly where you want it on the page. After you've successfully placed the calendar block, there should be an option to set or edit the content. This is where you'll paste the Calendly link you previously copied. Look for a space or option that allows you to insert a URL. Go ahead and paste your Calendly link in there. It's crucial to double check that the link looks correct. No extra spaces or characters, as this could affect the functionality. Once you've pasted the link, take a moment to customize any other settings for that calendar block if needed. You may want to adjust the size, position, or design to make it fit seamlessly with your funnel page theme. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget to save your changes. You can find the Save option usually at the top right corner of the page editor. Click that and allow your funnel to be updated with the new integration. And believe it or not, that's it. You've just successfully integrated systeme.io with Calendly. Now, your clients will be able to book appointments with you directly from your sales funnel. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.